Hello everyone, this is Misak from No Reserve Classics and welcome to our walk around of the 1967 Mustang S-Code. Here as we approach the engine bay, you can see that we have a refreshed 427 big block motor with some Edelbrock heads. It gives this beauty some performance and some really nice noise, which we will start this car up very soon. But let's take a moment to step back here and appreciate the beautiful dark moss green paint with some of these silver stripes that run along the hood to the roof, all the way back to the trunk. And you can also find them on the side of the car as well. Which perfectly brings us over to our wheel and tire setup, which is some Shelby wheels and wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. For our brakes, we have Wilwood disc brakes all around. These are actually drilled and slotted, it seems. So we have great power for going and stopping. Now let's take a look at the interior. Wow, it looks absolutely wonderful in here with the GT Premium package. As you can see, we have some black vinyl bucket seats, especially in the rear. We also see that we have a show poster board that says some of the neat facts and history of this car. And as we make our way along the headliner, we can see our beautiful dashboard with the iconic wood grain steering wheel. We are also looking at some beautiful Dakota Digital gauge clusters. So it retains the classic looks, but it has the modern information in order to run this car. Now, paired to this 427 motor is a C6 transmission, which is beautiful for handling all of this big block power, which let's go ahead and turn on. Wow, this thing sounds absolutely wonderful. Chop and idle of this car. And I don't know if you heard this before, but the revs on this car, oh, it's a big burly mean V8 out here. And what's also cool, we have an adjustable steering column. So in case you need some adjustment while you're driving, this car has it for you. So not only is this car comfortable to drive, not only does it sound great, but it also looks great. Keep in mind, this car just came fresh off of the trailer, so we still need to take it to our shop to get cleaned up, to go for a full inspection. So that way, whoever takes this beautiful car home can experience the true 100% quality from No Reserve Classics. So, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.